Sumkait, located along the Caspian Sea just north of Baku, is an important industrial and cultural city of Azerbaijan. Hotels here range from boutique stays to seaside resorts, providing both comfort and convenience for travelers. Here are the top 10 hotels in Sumkait. First one is Sumkait Olympic Sport Complex Hotel. This hotel is part of a large sports and recreation complex, very unique in Sumkait. Rooms are spacious and clean with access to fitness center, swimming pool, and sport facilities. Guests enjoy its peaceful environment ideal for families and athletes. The in-house restaurants serve local and international dishes. Service is professional and the location is away from the city noise, perfect for wellness and leisure-focused stays. The second one is AF Hotel and Aqua Park. Located on the Caspian Sea coast near Samkai, this resort-style property is famous for its water park and beach access. Rooms are bright, family-friendly, and equipped with modern amenities. Guests love the multiple pools, kids play area, and on-site restaurant. The lively atmosphere make it a top choice for summer holidays. It's particularly popular among families looking for fun and relaxation. The third one is Samkai Plaza Hotel. Samkai Plaza Hotel is centrally located property offering modern rooms with comfortable interiors. Guest highlights the calm environment, free Wi-Fi, and attentive staff. The hotel has a restaurant serving Azerbaijani and European cuisine along with the lounge area for business meetings. Its central position makes it convenient for exploring the city, a reliable choice for business and leisure travelers alike. The fourth one is Green Hotel Samkai. Green Hotel is known for its calm environment and eco-inspired concept. Rooms are cozy with neat decor and basic facilities like Wi-Fi and air conditioning. Guests enjoy the friendly service and the quiet location away from the hustle. The restaurants serve fresh local meals, focusing on healthy options. It's a good mid-range stay for those seeking peace and relaxation. The fifth one is Olympic Hotel Samkait. Olympic Hotel offers a mix of comfort and affordability with clean rooms and helpful staff. Guest enjoy amenities like free parking, Wi-Fi, and breakfast service. The hotel is close to sports facilities and parks, making it attractive for active travelers. Service is simple but efficient, ensuring a stress-free stay. It's a practical choice for budget-conscious visitors. The next one is AF Hotel Aqua Park Deluxe. A more premium selection of the AF Hotel complex, Aqua Park Deluxe caters to travelers looking for resort-style comfort. Rooms are larger and more elegantly designed compared to standard sections. Guests enjoy beachside relaxations, fast service, and fine dining options. Families love the variety of activities available for both adults and children. It's a great option for those seeking luxury by the Caspian coast. The next one is Caspian Coast Guest House. This guest house offers a more homely experience with rooms overlooking the Caspian Sea. Guests highlight the warm hospitality of the host and the clean, comfortable environment. Homemade Azerbaijani meals add to the cultural feel of the stay. The location near the waterfront make it a scenic retreat, perfect for culture travelers looking for authenticity. The next one is Sankai Business Hotel. As the name suggests, this hotel caters mainly to business travelers. Rooms are designed with modern facilities like work desks, Wi-Fi, and conference services. The restaurant offers both international and Azerbaijani menus, suitable for corporate dining. Guests appreciate the efficient service and central location. It's a practical and professional choice for short business trips. The second last is Sea Breeze Guest Inn. This small inn is located close to Sankai's coastal areas, offering budget-friendly accommodations. Rooms are simple but clean with Wi-Fi and basic facilities. Guests enjoy the friendly, family-like service and the peaceful neighborhood. It's ideal for those who prefer local stays over larger hotels. The proximity to the sea adds on to the experience. The last one is Sankait Modern Hotel. Sankait Modern Hotel provides comfortable rooms with contemporary interiors and essential amenities. Guests enjoy its affordable rates, good housekeeping, and professional service. Its in-house cafe offers light meals and drinks throughout the day. Its convenient location near shopping center and public transport make it easy for guests to explore the city. A reliable meeting option for all type of travelers. Some kind may not be as bustling as Paco, but its hotel offer a mix of comfort, family-friendly fun, and cultural hospitality. From seaside resorts like AF Hotel and Aqua Park to boutique stays like Green Hotel and guest houses along the Caspian. Here's something for every traveler.